Hey guys, the Real Kitchen Daddy is here with you today. It's a rainy day here in Georgia. So what I decided to do today, do a quick meal. Had this rotisserie chicken that we ate off this weekend. Didn't want to throw the rest away, so I decided to make chicken noodle soup. There's some of the ingredients that you see that I'm showing you right now that I'm gonna make the soup out of. If you look into the Ninja Foodi, I'm gonna slow cook this chicken noodle soup today. I cut up the chicken. I cut up some celery. I cut up some carrots in here. I put a little bit of garlic in here so far. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper in it. Also, I'm gonna put it on a slow cooker and let it sit for the next few hours and let all the seasonings get in and things like that. So it'll be very tasty. But I just wanted you guys to see a very quick and easy meal without you wasting your rotisserie chicken. And you probably already know this stuff, guys. So I'm not trying to tell you anything that you don't already know. This is some of the broth I'm going to use today. It's better than Bouillon Chicken Broth. Some good stuff. I've used it before. I'm going to try these two pastas right here. Like I told you before, I'm trying to cut down some of the carbs that I'm taking in. So I'm going to use some spinach pasta and some of this low carb pasta right there. But this is a quick meal that you can do very easily. I'll put the recipe out there for you to do. And it's simple to make. Today, chicken noodle soup because it's raining here in Georgia. So we're gonna throw this together real quick and make it easy for you guys and your family. You can do the same thing in your Ninja Foodi. Just put it all the ingredients in there, put it on slow cook, let all the seasonings get into that soup, put your noodles on the stove for yourself. Boom, you got chicken noodle soup for the day. There you go, guys, the finished product. Just some normal chicken noodle soup for today. Once again, it's a quick meal. I made it from the leftover rotisserie chicken that we had on Sunday. Chopped up some celery, some carrots, put some pasta in it, and voila, an easy meal, a quick meal, a cheap meal to work your leftovers. So, you know, enjoy yourself. I'll put the recipe out there for you guys to use. And once again, you don't have to go deep in your pocket. And it's really delicious. Trust me, guys, it's delicious. So till next time, bon appetit.